If you need to recover your Angi account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Angi login page. Go to the official Angi website and locate the login section. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Angi account. This is crucial as it will be used to send you recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password for your account. Step 5. Log in with your new password. After successfully resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and the new password to access your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Angi account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Angi's customer support for further assistance.